Namaste, everyone. Welcome to IKEM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will learn the meaning of chapter 4. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Chaturthodhyayah Jnana Sannyasa Yogaha श्रीभगवानुवाच इमौ विवस्वते योगं प्रोक्तवानहमव्ययम् विवस्वान्मनवे प्राह मनुरिक्ष्वाकवे ब्रवीत्. Lord Krishna said, I explained this eternal science, that is Karma Yoga, to Vivaswan. So Vivaswan spoke it to Manu, and Manu then imparted this Karma Yoga to Ikshvaku. Yevam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashta parantapa. Now, this science was taught and understood by discipline, succession, but in time the succession was broken and the science of yoga appears to be lost. Saye vayam maya tedya yoga proktah puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. I am now teaching you this very same science of yoga. It is the fundamental secret, but I tell it to you because you are my trusted devotee and my best friend. Arjuna Uvacha Aparam Bhavato Janma Paranjanma Vivasvataha Kathametad Vijaniyam Tvamadau Proktavaniti. Now Arjuna is asking, you took birth long after Vivaswan was born. Then how am I to understand that you instructed him previously? श्रीभगवानुवाच बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहौ वेद सर्वाणि न त्वौ वेत्थ परन्तप. Now Lord Sri Krishna said, Arjuna, both you and I have many births. I remember all of them, whereas you do not. अजोऽपि सन्नव्ययात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया. Although I am birthless and by nature eternal, and although I am the controller of all beings, I still remain in control of my material energy. I manifest by my own inner power. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. O descendant of Bharata, whenever there is a decline in dharma and an abundance of unrighteousness, at that time I take form. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. I appear every millennium to protect the virtuous and pure, to annihilate evildoers, and to establish my dharma. जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् ये वै यो वेति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन. One who is fully aware of the divine nature of my birth and activities does not take birth again in the material world. He only attains me. Oh Arjuna, know about that. वीतरागभयक्रोधाः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञानतपसा भूता मद्भावमागताः. Many persons in the past who are free from attachment, fear, and anger with mind absorbed in me, and who have surrendered unto me, were purified by the fire of knowledge and reached me.